Nobody needs to know just what we do or where we go. Nobody needs to see how much you love me. Nobody needs to hear the words you whisper in my ear. They're not for show, so nobody needs to know. I have no proof of love's existence, no measure of the distance between your heart and mine, but I feel it all the time. There is no way to tell our story and capture all the glory and the pain we feel, 'cause this is us and it doesn't get more real. My body knew it could trust in you. My heart gave itself to you. My soul, it felt it too. There was nothing my brain could do. I'm more convinced every single day that love can never be explained. When you held my hand that first night, something in this world felt right. I have no proof of non-existence, no measure of the distance between your heart and mine, but I feel it all the time. There is no way to tell our story and capture all the glory and the pain we feel. This is us, and it doesn't get more real. This is us and all of the love we feel. This is us, and it doesn't get more real.